Hey,
Let me snuggle in close.
There you go. Can you tell us your name and then tell us whatever you want to know, or we should know about the car?
Yeah, Terry Hangen from Carlisle, Saskatchewan. Yeah, had this car about 12 years or so. Kind of a work in progress. Kind of stalled out the last couple of years, but yeah, no, it's
What year is it? 60?
60, 67.
Okay.
Yeah. So it was a 289 3-speed car originally. Now it's a 408 4-speed automatic. Nice cruiser. A few custom touches inside, custom dash, steering wheel, whatever. Interior's been redone. So yeah. Paint job was about 4 years ago, 5 years ago.
It looks good. Although, like say, a couple of years, well, you could be driving it, but not showing it.
Right, exactly, yeah. Yeah.
Was the body in pretty good shape when you got it, or?
Yeah, it actually was decent. It had to do a little bit of body work. Found a few spots of bond or whatever that had to be addressed, whatever, but generally it was in good shape.
This is an original Saskatchewan car, or you're not sure?
As far as I know.
Yeah.
As far as I know. I actually just talked to one of the previous owners, he says.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. From
This
2 owners ago.
Change color, almost looks like it's metallic brown at the front, and it looks like
does,
it's more like
yeah.
a purple or something at the back.
Yeah. It stands out much better out in the sun, of course.
I bet, yes.
But yeah, you can tell if you get the right angle. Yeah, I can see it's purple here. Some angles it's almost black. So
Okay.
yeah. Wanted something unique, so the fellow that painted the car for us, he did a really good job just giving me samples, and so between him and I, we come up, and the wife, come up with this color. We wanted something different.
Yeah, no, it's nice.
Yeah.
Some of them, depends on the color, but probably about 37, maybe 40, must be 40 years ago now. A buddy of mine had one of these, and he wrapped it in Winnipeg and smashed it up, of course.
Yeah, a lot of them ended up that way.
Yeah, smashed it up too bad, and I guess they got crushed.
Yeah. You don't see a lot of Cougars around, but
No.
not like the Mustangs.
Were you able to do all the work yourself, or what you could anyway? But
What I could, yeah. I'm not a body man, or minor mechanics I can do, but motor rebuild I had done. But we're quite happy with it. So we'll probably hang on to it for a while.
definitely, yeah. They're only going to go up in value.
Well, hopefully, yeah. Hopefully.
Where'd you get the wing from? You know what that's off of?
No, not sure where that come from. It's an aftermarket one,
Yeah.
not a factory original.
We had something like that on, well, it wasn't original either, but that had a 69 Barracuda, and he ended up putting one of those on there.
Yeah.
But I don't know where he got it from either. And that would have been in the 70s, sometimes late 70s.
Yeah, I've seen some Mopars with very similar looking wing on it, so yeah. So.
Might be, but it looks good on there.
Yeah, it works.
That's
yeah.
nice, yeah.
Yeah, you betcha.
Yeah. Okay, well, let's get a little bit of video of it. And,
Sure.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Beautiful.
Well, it depends on how you look at it. See at the top, the high lines are like a roof here, and then they've got
And then he probably sequential.
Actually, I just meet the factory original mechanical.
I like Cougars with wind I like.
Do you mind if I step over?
got a good deal.
Give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Plus, please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.